Another mystery box, man, from Storage Legends. As you can see, but let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside this box, huh? This one's taped up pretty good. Might have to put the box down, you guys. I don't know. Oh, shit. So we got here. Got a Nova. Nice little Hot Wheel right here. I like this one. Beautiful. Alright, this is 68 Nova, huh? So what we got here? Let's take this off. Looney Tune collection. Nice. So it's got the little road runner. We got the Coyote. Oh yeah, this is nice. Look like a Maserati or something. What's that? Never heard of that car before. But it's nice. So this is number 4. And the other one is number 5. 5 out of 8. Alright. Well, this one's in a protector. Nice. This is number 1 out of 8. Nice. I like it. Okay. Got another one, the protector. Number 2. Oh, I forgot his name. What's his name? You sending me Sam or something like that? I forgot. What's that say? That's nice. This is a number 2. That's number 2. Got another one in the protector. You got the little frog. This looks like a Camaro. It looks like a Camaro, but Doesn't say Camaro on it though. This is number 8. Yeah, 8 out of 8. See what else we got in here. More Looney Tunes before I get to the other ones. Yep. Here's another one. The Double Gunner. This is number 7. Number 7. Let's see what else is in here. Is there any more in that collection? Oh yeah, there is one more down here. This is number 3. Number 3 out of 8. Basically, I got the whole collection right there. The whole collection. Oh, here goes one more. I missed one. Oh no, that's Ninja Turtles. There you go. It's number 6 out of 8. Looks like a Hummer. Yeah, it is definitely a Hummer. The Tasmanian Devil, huh? Pretty nice. Nice. So what else we got in here? Well, let's go through the gold packages. The gold ones. Oh yeah, this is nice. 63 Chevy Nova. '63 Chevy Nova. With the gold on it. This is number 5 out of 6. Can't really see that gold in there though, huh? Number 5. This is number 2. A little crunch on the box. 2 out of 6. What else we got here? This is 1 out of 6. The old Ford truck, it looks like. With a skull in the front. That's kind of tight. Cool. See what else we got. What number is this one? This is number 1. Number 1? Yeah, number 1. Chevy El Camino, huh? '71 custom. I like this one. That was nice. number 4. Number 4 right here. What is this? That's a Dodge Dart. 68. Nice. Ford Ranchero. Nice. Where's that? 65. 65. Ford Ranchero. 65. This is a looks like a Dodge Charger or something. What year does it say? Doesn't say a year, but it's an old school Dodge. Looks like a Charger though. Like a 73, 74. Nice, I like this one too. That is number 3. 3 out of 6. It's number 5. 64 Impala. Ooh, this one's nice right here. Yeah, real nice. Let's see, what number was that 64 Impala? That was number 5. Number 5. This is number 3 out of 6. It looks like a Firebird. Yeah. Nice. '67 Firebird. Oh, this is it's number 6. The Plymouth Superbird. Nice. Can't see that front nose, huh? I'll do it this way. There you go. That wing on there. Yeah, I think I kind of like this one the best. Superbird. And then there's one more. This is number 4. This is number 4 right here. Nice. So it's black underneath, huh? That's different. Wonder why. All the other ones are gold. Alright, so we're just gonna go by number 1 all the way to number 5 on the Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles. I like this one. So that's number 1. Let's see if I can find number 2. Number 2. Nice. I like it. That's like that. I like that. All right, let's see if we can find number 3. Okay, there we go. Number 3. Nice. Yeah, I like the picture. Number 3. Number 4. Nice. Do I show the picture? Got the protective plastic on it. Wish the Gold series was like that, but it is what it is. But I like this one. This is number 6. I mean number 5. 5 out of 5. The bus, though. The Ninja Turtle bus. That is fat. It's got all the Ninja Turtles on there. That's clean. Yeah. That was it. Oh, yeah. Something else in here. See what we got here. Let's open this up. Oh, yeah. The Marlboro belt buckle. Oh, yeah, this one's tight right here. Jeff Gordon, NASCAR belt buckle. That's fat. That's real nice. It's got a number on it, huh? Limited edition. Nice. And then this one. The Raiders. I'm not a Raiders fan. But hey. You can't tell me they ain't clean. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Go ahead and like, share, leave a comment, and make sure you guys hit that follow button. All right, y'all. Peace.